Hi everybody, this is Selfie back another day with another unboxing. I want to start off with showing you something that I highly recommend, and I've recommended for many years. I have it in my everyday carry bag actually because I use it a lot. I use it daily. This is my selfie stick that I mostly use as a tripod. And I have recommended this for many years. And as usual, every time I give something away, I regret it. I had one that I was super happy with, gave it away to a friend of a friend, and ordered me a new one, the same one. But this one, it doesn't want to connect. I had to try like 20 times before it connected to my phone. Just to explain, this small thing is a remote. So what I usually use it for is as a selfie stick actually, to take pictures of my sneakers. So I have my Apple Watch where I can see the screen and I click, I got pictures. As a tripod, I use it when I do, I've done a couple of Sonax car care videos with it, and a bunch of interviews. And that's the whole point of this video. So every time I do an interview, as you can see, this is the maximum length. Yeah, I have to find something that it can be standing on, a table or whatever. But ATUMTEK that haven't made this one is from Blitzwolf, a company that doesn't exist anymore. But ATUMTEK has this exact same size. I don't remember the size, 13 inches maybe. But they have the exact same size and it looks exactly the same. But since I'm now, another thing that I use it for. When I do videos at car shows, I use it as a more or less as a selfie stick, but to hold my camera or phone better, like this. And when I'm having help with somebody else holding my phone, I give them this instead of holding my phone like this. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is how it works. So now this Easter, I'm going to Sweden, biggest car show, with the plan to do a bunch of interviews. And as said, this one has worked perfectly for many years. The only thing is the Bluetooth thing that won't connect. That is really irritating. So every time I need to use it, I have to try for like 10 plus minutes. But ATUMTEK now has two larger ones. The only downside that I can say right away is that it won't fit in my everyday carry bags. It won't fit in any of my sling bags, which this one does. This one actually fit in my pocket as well, and yeah, I really like this size. I've used this a lot, recommended it for many years. And the larger ones are 1.5 meter and 1.3. Okay, I thought it was going to be taller. They have sizes on Amazon and on their website. I think it was like 50 inches and 61 inches or something. But let's see how large they are, because I am maybe a bit worried that I will only use them now when doing interviews, planned interviews, and not have them with me as a everyday carry thing. which is what I would like. Looks cool. Selfie stick tripod. Looks cool. Yeah, I can understand all the dirty jokes, but for me, it looks almost like a baton. So I know that as much as I get pulled over in my car, if this would be laying in the passenger seat, they would absolutely assume that it was a baton. I like this. So the length of this one, I should have checked that before, but it's like 70 centimeters or something, but the folded size is really, really nice. You see, step 2 is a lot bigger, and step 2 and step 3, or the two biggest one, more or less same. But yeah, so too big to be carrying with me all the time. But for a planned interview, like now, this Easter, when I'm going to do a bunch of interviews, and they don't weigh much either, this is going to be excellent. So let's fold them out and see the size difference. The measures are, as I said, up to 1.5 meters tall, and I was sure it was going to be taller, and this is 1.3 meters. Maybe I checked another product, because the one that I saw that were 1.6 plus meters, the reviews of that one, or some of the reviews, was that it was push, unstable. All right, this was better than expected. A large foot, because the other ones that I saw on Amazon, their feet were too narrow and too flat. You see this? All right, so this is tall. I have to do this standing up. All right. I hope this works. As a size reference, Sir Pierre is 6.1 feet, which is 186 centimeters or something. And I think this will be good enough, actually. Well, maybe not super stable, but good enough. Better than expected. I understand that these will be used mostly for people doing TikTok dance videos or something. But for me, doing interviews standing up, or maybe sitting, with a car in the background, these will be perfect. Absolutely. Do I see any reason to buy the shorter one instead of the longer one? Because you see, the height difference is very small. But maybe the shorter one is slightly stable. Because what I'm worried about is that I'm going to do interviews where there is a huge crowd of people that will be walking by. No matter what I do, people don't care about me doing interviews, and they see the camera standing and they don't care. I think this is the one that I'm going with. Because this height, well, I'm happy I got them both. It's just too bad that it won't fit in my EDC bag. But it doesn't weigh much, and of course will fit in my backpack. Yeah, I like them. I do like them. And my favorite one, what did I put that here? I highly recommend this size. If this would just be slightly taller when it's folded out, I would be super happy with that one. But these two very similar in length, both fully pulled out and in the compact mode. I like them. But once again, this size that ATUMTEK also have will probably be good enough for you. I'm happy to have them all three, and I'm probably going to get me a new one in this size from ATUMTEK, because it really irritates me that the Bluetooth is so, I don't know, I've tried with everything for several years, and the old one that I had worked perfectly. So a new one like this from ATUMTEK will be fine, I think. All right. I'm really looking forward to using them. And I think I'm happy to have them both, and I'm gonna try them both. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. And maybe after this Easter, with all my interviews, maybe I will do a review. Or yeah, this was mostly on unboxing. Not charged, but yeah, it's brand new. So I just want to show you one more thing. Another thing that I use this tripod for is when I do live streaming. Yeah, live phone calls, FaceTime calls. And yes, you can have the phone standing, but it's not perfect for a big iPhone. But these were much easier to rotate. So you do like that, or you can do like this and have the phone like that. Let me just put it in. And I'm guessing that you will use, when you do TikTok videos or whatever, you're going to have it like this standing most of the time. I use it like this, the real way. Very easy to change rotation and stiff. Nice. I'm very positive for it.